Welcome to another stock market analysis video. Pero bago tayo mag-proceed sa stock analysis natin, let us first visit the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Just a recap, I use weekly time frame in my analysis. And yun, the index closed at 6,395.59. That's a little bit higher comparing with the last week candle, pero still the market is on its sideways movement. Um, and not much significant change of the trend. So we expect the index to break the 6,500 mark here of the Darvas before it shows signs of continuation of its uptrend move. Otherwise, it remains moving on the sideways. So worse when it breaks down the 5,800 level um, and go down the range. So we also see some resistance at the 6,800 levels here, 6,800 level. So we expect the market to consolidate in this area pag na-reach na niya before going for another bull run movement once it breaks the 6,800 um before it reach out 7,400 area, this area. So that's it muna for our index recap. So for our stock analysis video, we will analyze STI, STI, or the STI Education System Holdings, or simply STI. And looking at the STI's chart, we can see some significant move of the candles in the past 3 weeks. These three candles. So the move started as it breaks out the 1.38 Darbas and continuously broke the 1.5 resistance. This resistance 1.5. And looking at the big picture, makikita natin na ang susunod na resistance, looking at the big picture, ang susunod na resistance would be on this level. Yan. 1.85 at 1.85 as high as 1.25 and 1.9. Yeah. 1.95 to 1.85. Yan yung susunod natin na nakikitang resistance if magkakaroon ng continuation. So reaching at this price point, we may expect some consolidation. And you need to look at the bigger picture of the chart para makita natin yung susunod na resistance. Then yan, pag na-reach niya yung price point na 'to, we expect the price to move, sideways or magkaroon muna siya ng consolidation before we expect a big move, to reach the probably the ₱2 mark point, yan, before we expect reaching the ₱2 mark point. So let us look also a quick history of the STI movement. Yeah, here we can see that STI had a very long consolidation since May 2021. And from this May 2021 up until November 2023. And November to October 2023. October, yan. October and breakout. Yeah, October 2023. So, yun, 2 years. Almost 2 years. 2 years. So, those who started accumulating STI from this point, May 2021, hanggang yun, mag-breakdown, tuloy-tuloy lang naman mag-invest. The stock value that they already had on their hands is more or less already um, up to this point, from this point, or yan, already more or less 400% in stock value if they started accumulating STI since then. And meron ng capital appreciation of almost 400%. So, um, not not bad at all kasi they also provide yearly dividend as we can see. Here meron silang the yearly dividends na nire-release. So, if you are a long-term holder of STI, not bad kasi you still have, something back from them. And yun, if you are a long-term trader, it's not a bad thing because you can wait, you have a longer time frame of, accumulating the stocks. So, yun na muna for this video. If you have any comments, suggestions, or stocks that you would like us to analyze, just share it on the comment section. And yun, pwede natin i-analyze yung stocks na yun. So, thank you for watching. And if you found this video helpful, um, please like, comment, and subscribe for more trading contents. And also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. And yun, happy trading and we'll see you in the next video.